Hello YouTube chess lovers. Chess Extreme welcomes you. Today I am going to show you a brilliant attacking game of Paul Morphy. In this game, his opponent was Alonzo Morphy. Paul Morphy was playing with white pieces and he played e4, e5 by Alonzo Morphy, knight f3. It is also known as king's knight opening. Alonzo Morphy replied with knight c6. Normal king's knight opening, normal variation. Bishop c4. It is also known as Italian game. And bishop c5 by Alonzo Morphy. Gioco piano. Paul Morphy replied with b4. Bishop takes b4. c3. Bishop goes to c5. d4 by Paul Morphy, threatening the black bishop. E takes d4. C takes d4, and now bishop moves to b6. Paul Morphy castles king side. Knight to a5 by Alonzo Morphy. Bishop to d3. Paul Morphy saves the bishop. d5 by Alonzo Morphy. E takes d5. Queen takes d5. Bishop goes to a3. Bishop e6 by Alonzo. Knight c3. Queen goes to d7. d5 by Paul Morphy. Bishop takes d5. Knight takes d5. And now Queen takes d5. Bishop goes to b5, and it is known as Ivan's gambit, and it gives a shake to the black king. Queen takes b5. Knight goes to e1 and it is shake. Knight goes to e7. Rook to b1, threatening the queen. Queen goes to a6. Rook takes e7. King goes to f8 because the king cannot capture the rook because it is protected by the black bishop. King goes to f8. Queen to d5, threatening a checkmate on f7. Queen goes to c4, defending the checkmate. Now Paul Morphy plays a cunning move, that is rook takes f7 and check. king goes to g8. Now can you imagine the next move? If you can imagine it, then congratulations. And Paul Morphy ends the game with rook to f8, a brilliant checkmate. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to give comments. Thank you.